Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Gmail account that contains the searches you want to remove. Once logged in, use a desktop browser because it exposes the full search UI and history options. Next, click the search box at the top of Gmail to reveal recent queries. This shows what Gmail saved and gives you immediate targets. Make sure you're in the correct account because deleting here affects only this profile, not other signed-in accounts. Now focus on deleting specific entries you no longer want saved. When the search drop-down is open, hover or move to each unwanted query and click the X or delete action beside it. This removes that single item from your visible search suggestions. Once done, test by typing a related term to ensure it no longer appears. If some entries persist, clear your browser cache and refresh Gmail, because local caching can sometimes keep stale suggestions visible. Finish by clearing any broader stored data. Open Google account data and personalization and remove activity related to Gmail search to ensure server-side deletion. Once complete, clear your browser cache and cookies and reload Gmail to eliminate cached suggestions. If you use sync across devices, sign out or pause sync while you delete so removed entries don't reappear from another device. If a search keeps returning, check other signed-in devices and repeat deletion there. Sync is the usual culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.